Hello everyone. Today's topic is mobile testing training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss the mobile testing training, roadmap, about course, eligibility criteria, roles, responsibilities, and salaries, training program. Now we are discussing about the mobile testing training. A mobile testing course provides a complete understanding of testing mobile applications for functionality, usability, performance, and security. It covers both manual and automated testing methods to ensure mobile apps work seamlessly across different devices, operating systems, and network conditions. The course typically begins with an introduction to mobile testing, explaining the fundamentals, challenges, and the difference between mobile and web application testing. Next, types of mobile testing are covered, including functional, performance, security, usability, and compatibility testing. Learners also explore mobile testing strategies, focusing on test planning, execution, and best practices for effective testing. A key module is manual versus automated testing, where students learn the advantages of each approach and when to apply tools like Appium, Espresso, or XQI test. The mobile app testing lifecycle section details phases from requirement analysis to test closure. Additionally, the course delves into testing on emulators, simulators, and real devices, explaining their importance in replicating real-world user experiences. Advanced topics include performance testing, ensuring apps run smoothly under varying loads, and security testing, identifying vulnerabilities to protect user data. The course concludes with test reporting and debugging techniques, providing learners with skills to document and troubleshoot issues effectively. Here are the eligibility criteria for the mobile testing course. Basic knowledge of software testing. Familiarity with fundamental testing concepts is beneficial but not mandatory. Understanding of mobile applications. Awareness of how mobile apps function on Android and iOS platforms is helpful. Educational background. A degree in computer science, IT, or a related field is preferred but not mandatory. Experience in manual testing. Prior experience in software testing can be an advantage for better learning. Knowledge of automation tools. Basic exposure to automation tools like Selenium or Appium is a plus. Analytical and problem-solving skills. Strong analytical thinking helps in identifying defects and improving test strategies. Interest in quality assurance, passion for ensuring application performance, security, and usability. Basic programming knowledge. Familiarity with scripting languages like Java or Python can be useful for automation testing. Freshers and professionals, open to beginners, software testers, developers, and QA engineers seeking mobile testing expertise. Willingness to learn. A strong desire to acquire hands-on experience in mobile testing methodologies and tools. Next, we discuss the roles and salaries in mobile testing training mobile app tester. Responsible for testing mobile applications manually and through automation. The average salary ranges from $50,000 to $80,000 per year. QA engineer, mobile testing, ensures the overall quality of mobile applications by performing functional and performance testing. The salary varies between $60,000 to $90,000 per year. Automation test, engineer, mobile, specializes in mobile test automation using tools like Appium and Selenium. The salary ranges from $70,000 to $100,000 per year. Performance tester focuses on testing the app's speed, scalability, and reliability under different conditions. The salary is approximately $65,000 to $95,000 per year. Security tester conducts security assessments to identify vulnerabilities in mobile applications. The salary falls between $75,000 to $110,000 per year. Test lead, mobile applications, manages a team of testers and oversees mobile testing projects. The salary can be $90,000 to $120,000 per year. Mobile testing consultant provides expert guidance on mobile testing strategies and tools. Consultants earn around $100,000 to $140,000 per year. QA manager, mobile testing, heads the QA department, defining testing frameworks and ensuring quality standards. Salaries range from $110,000 to $150,000 per year. The last topic is training program. GoLogica offers complete mobile testing training designed to provide you with the essential skills needed to excel in mobile application testing. This course covers all key aspects of mobile testing, including manual and automation testing, functional testing, performance testing, security testing, usability testing, and compatibility testing across various devices and platforms. Through practical, hands-on experience, you will gain a thorough understanding of testing methodologies and tools like Appium, Selenium, and Espresso to ensure high-quality mobile applications. As part of the training, you will learn to identify defects, create test cases, analyze mobile app performance, and implement test automation strategies to enhance app reliability. The GoLogica course prepares you for roles such as mobile app tester, QA engineer, automation test engineer, and test lead, providing you with the expertise required for these positions. Upon successful completion, you will receive a certification that validates your skills and boosts your career prospects. In addition to the training, GoLogica offers resume-building support to showcase your mobile testing expertise and interview preparation to help you with 24/7 support. The course is designed for learners to study at their own pace, with expert guidance available throughout. With GoLogica mobile testing training, you will be fully prepared to tackle real-world mobile testing challenges and advance your career in the software testing domain.